Hello everyone, myself Premkasi, Chartered Accountant and Company Secretary. In this short video, I am going to discuss with you all the cryptocurrency updates with respect to the budget discussions happened today. So just to keep the things very simple and easy to understand, I have prepared a small deck which consists of 6 side headings. That is something which we are going to discuss now. So the first discussion is all about virtual digital asset. So if you see the discussions today, it all happened around virtual digital asset. They never mentioned about Bitcoin, Ethereum or cryptocurrency for that matter. So the term that they used is virtual digital asset. So what does that mean as per them? Well, so the definition of virtual digital asset includes tokens, which is nothing but the cryptocurrencies that we are dealing with, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, whatever, yeah, and includes NFTs, there comes a catch, and also includes others as and when specified by the government. So basically, they are covering everything except the native fiat currencies, except INR, except foreign currencies, everything is covered under the definition of virtual digital asset. Yeah, so that's the first thing we need to know once we are discussing about all the subsequent provisions. So the second thing with respect to the discussions is taxation. So here they clarified that the tax is applicable at the rate of 30% under the section 115 BBH. So this is something which we need to pay from assessment year 2023-24, which is ideally April 2022 say starting. Well, so the financial year from April 2022, we are supposed to pay taxation at the rate of 30% on all our cryptocurrency trades. Yeah, and of course the calculation is quite straightforward, sale minus purchase. Well, so that is the taxation part. So unlike our current slabs which we are currently into, like 10%, 20% or 30% or even at that percentages, but that's not applicable from 2023 to 24 assessment year. It's a straight away 30%. Yes, that's the second update. The third update is the gift taxation. Say for example, I'm gifting a cryptocurrencies to you. Yeah, so in this transaction also you as a recipient is supposed to pay tax at the rate of 30% as you are the recipient of the so and so gift of cryptocurrencies. Yeah, so that's all about the third part. And talking about the fourth one, it talks about the TDS which is applicable under section 194S, which means that if you are paying to any person in kind, when I say in kind in cryptocurrencies, then you are supposed to make a TDS at the rate 1% if the total threshold limit exceeds 10,000, just 10,000. And there is also an enhanced limit of 50,000 if you are someone who is under the ambit of tax audits. Yeah, so that's altogether a different story. But yes, we are supposed to make TDS at the rate of 1% on these transactions which we are doing via cryptocurrencies or in mode of cryptocurrencies. Yeah, this is something which is applicable from July 2022. And the fifth point, of course, the most important part, whatever profit you are earning, you need to pay tax. Whatever loss you are incurring, you are solely responsible. So no set off, no carry forward. So set off in the sense you can never set off against other income which is a profit in that year. Carry forward in the sense that this year you incur loss, next year you are incurring profit. You can never carry forward this loss and set it off at the future profits. So neither set off nor the carry forward is permitted under these proposals. And last and the most important clarification from Finance Ministry is regarding launch of CBDC by RBI. So this is something they are planning in a financial year 2022 and 23, and of course this is something which will be working on the top of blockchain and controlled by Reserve Bank of India. Well, and just to end up this particular video, I would like to add my views or the suggestions or whatever my thoughts, and whatever you feel, please do comment in this particular video. And if you have any doubts in my explanation, things that I have done so far, maybe you can ask the questions in the form of comments. So just to add my quick thoughts on this, so I'm not clear on the calculations part. Even I felt it would be quite good if they give out various calculations in terms of business activity, mining, in terms of yield forming, or in terms of airdrops. Yeah, so these calculations would quite be helpful, and I'm expecting these will be rolled out very soon. But yes, in all the cases the tax rate is 30%, so that's something missing, the calculation part. Yeah, and the second thing, Is it with this particular 30%? Is it a welcome move to support the crypto's adoption? Of course, may not be, because if you see, this is the highest rate in terms of taxation. The 30% is something that will be really applicable to sort of gambling, sort of lottery, sort of that sort of things. Yeah, but here putting these things under 30% slab is something not so welcoming, but yes, of course, investors who are earning more and more will be ready to pay. Yeah, and the third thing is like our government is treating these tokens more like an asset than a currency. Yeah, so these might impact further applications in the long run, but if at all our regulations are clear in making this as a part of currency, maybe that might happen with CBDC launch and all. But yes, as of now, these things are treated as an asset. So those are some missing or unclarified things I would like to add with respect to these proposals. Overall, it's a welcome move, but how far it is so welcoming, it's up to you. You can give your views in the comments. So until then, keep following my channel. Please do subscribe, and whatever you wish to learn subsequent topics, please do comment in the comment section of this video. I'll be making more and more videos, and always stay home, stay safe. Prem Kasi signing off.